Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Honda CB300R. This naked Street Fighter style bike just arrived with only 1,800 miles. Really cool paint scheme, matte finish, black, single cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This bike is really cool and it's a lot of fun. Get over 75 miles per gallon. Come on by, make your lightweight sport naked dreams come true for just $39.99. You kidding me? This bike's not gonna be here long. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.